The instructions for creating or updating your studio art portfolio site for spring 2018. So first of all, log into your Gmail and then select the Google Apps icon in the upper right hand side and go to Sites. If you have created a site, we'll find it here. So go ahead and click on New Google Sites. If you created a portfolio in fall of 2017 for an art course, it's sitting right here. You can click it to open it and proceed with step 2. If you have not created a site, nothing will be here, and you'll start from scratch by clicking the plus sign in the red circle in the lower right-hand side. Your portfolio site should be titled your own name, and you can add portfolio or art portfolio with it. Be sure to give the site title a name up in the upper left hand side, and it's probably the same thing. And then in this open white box below, and add some context. Why did you create this site? When, etc. So you will create a new page for every course you take in art history or art. So to do that, look over to the right-hand side, choose Pages. At the bottom of this column, click the plus. The page name will be the name of the course you're taking. So ceramics. Here's my page. You should have already taken a photograph or more than one photograph of the artwork that you will be analyzing for this portfolio, and ideally have that put in your Google Drive, but you could also upload it. So if you click over here on Insert on the right hand side, you can get to an upload icon, or click Images and you can go to Google Drive, and if you've named your images, it will be easier to find them. So select the image, it pops onto the page. You have some resizing content right here. And then next to it, double click and add a text box. And this is where the responses to the prompts should go. So the prompts are located in the instruction sheet for the studio art portfolio courses. You should have those. If not, talk to your instructor. So once you get everything in here, there's a very important step, and this step is to publish your portfolio. So right now, the only person that can see this work of art, this portfolio, is you. Click on Publish. It will tell you what the web address is going to be. You can amend that right here. Maybe you don't want art in there and you just want it to be portfolio. Please note that there can't be spaces in this web address. Go ahead and click Publish. At the bottom of the page, you'll get a confirmation that the site has been published. Click View. So this is your portfolio. You should have a home page and at least one page that you created today. You might have more. This URL up at the top is what you will submit, your last step, to be viewed by the art faculty. So copy this URL, and then from your instruction sheet, follow the link to submit your portfolio. You need to put in, oops, here's the link. You need to add the date that you're submitting. Put in your first and last name. Select the name of the course. So we're submitting for ceramics. Select the name of the teacher. And then paste your URL. And then go ahead and hit submit. If you are taking more than one course through the art department this semester, you will use the same portfolio. So we'll just come back in and make another page, and you will submit it separately because it has a different course and a different instructor. If you have questions, contact Lisa Stroshine in the Learning Commons.